Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Cloud disks using incremental snapshots, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the Compute Engines section from the left-hand menu. Select Snapshots under the Disks category. Click on the Create Snapshot button to start the process. Choose the disk that you want to backup from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your snapshot that follows your naming convention. Add an optional description to provide clarity about this snapshot. Ensure the storage location is correctly set for your snapshot. To create an incremental snapshot, check the box labeled Take Snapshot of Existing Disk. Review the settings to confirm everything is. Click on the Create button to initiate the snapshot process. Wait for the snapshot creation to complete. This may take a few moments. Once completed, you will see the newly created snapshot in your list. To automate this process, navigate to the Cloud Functions section. Create a new function that will trigger on a schedule. Use Cloud Scheduler to run this function at your preferred intervals. Write a script that utilizes the Google Cloud SDK to automate snapshot creation. In your script, specify the disk name and snapshot configuration. Implement error handling to monitor the success of each snapshot creation. Test your function to ensure that snapshots are created correctly over time. Monitor your snapshots periodically to ensure they are being captured as intended. Consider setting up notifications for any errors encountered during snapshot creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.